Twitter's legal battle against Meta escalates as the social media giant accuses its fast-growing rival app, Threads, of misappropriating trade secrets and intellectual property. In a clash of titans, Twitter and Meta lock horns over Threads, a new app that has garnered over 70 million users, triggering allegations of copycat tactics and a potential legal showdown. Welcome to Slant News. If you want to support, you can subscribe to our channel. Twitter is contemplating legal action against Meta regarding its rapidly growing competitor app Threads. Threads, which was launched to millions of users on Wednesday, is similar to Twitter and has been presented by Meta executives as a friendly alternative. Elon Musk, CEO of Twitter, stated that competition is fine, cheating is not. However, Meta refuted claims made in a legal letter that former Twitter employees assisted in creating Threads. Meta claims that over 70 million people have signed up for the new app, although this is less than a tenth of Twitter's estimated 350 million users according to Statista. In 2013, Twitter took 4 years to amass the same number of users that Threads gained in a single day. It should be noted that Twitter built its user base from scratch, while Threads was able to tap into Meta's pre-existing 2 billion monthly users on Instagram. BBC News technology reporter James Clayton remarked that Threads bears a striking resemblance to Twitter in terms of its look and feel. The news feed and reposting features are described as incredibly familiar. However, US copyright law does not safeguard ideas, so for Twitter to succeed in court, it would need to demonstrate that its own intellectual property, such as programming code, was misappropriated. In 2012, Meta was granted a patent for the system that displays all the latest posts on Facebook, referred to as communicating a newsfeed. Semaphore, a news outlet, first reported that Twitter attorney Alex Spiro sent a letter to Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg on Wednesday, accusing Meta of systematic, willful, and unlawful misappropriation of Twitter's trade secrets and other intellectual property to develop Threads. Spiro specifically alleged that Meta had employed numerous former Twitter employees who had access to Twitter's trade secrets and confidential information, which ultimately aided Meta in creating the Copycat Threads app. The letter from Twitter demands that Meta ceases using any Twitter trade secrets or confidential information and warns of potential legal action. Both Meta and Twitter have been contacted for comment by BBC News, which has seen a copy of the letter. Elon Musk responded to a tweet mentioning the legal letter, stating that competition is fine, cheating is not. Andy Stone, spokesperson for Meta, posted on Threads that none of the engineering team members had previously worked for Twitter. Sarah Kunst, managing director at venture capital firm Clio Capital, believes Threads could provide a brand-safe environment for existing Instagram advertisers who are willing to allocate some budget and assess the results. She predicts a steady increase in users due to the ease of cross-posting to other platforms. Both Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg have acknowledged the rivalry surrounding Threads, which is linked to Instagram but operates as a standalone app. During its launch in 100 countries, Mark Zuckerberg broke over 11 years of Twitter silence to share a popular meme of two nearly identical Spider-Man figures pointing at each other, symbolizing a standoff. As Threads trended globally on Twitter, Elon Musk remarked, "It is infinitely preferable to be attacked by strangers on Twitter than indulge in the false happiness of hide the pain Instagram." Twitter CEO Linda Yaccarino tweeted on Thursday that while the platform is often imitated, it can never be duplicated. Both Meta and Twitter have undergone significant layoffs this year, with Meta announcing in April that it would reduce staff levels by approximately 10,000. Twitter experienced substantial layoffs as well, with up to 80% of its 7,500 employees let go in multiple waves of redundancies following Elon Musk's takeover in October. Here we wrap up the news on this topic. And be sure to subscribe to our channel.